Globally, around 39 million people are blind, and one of the major problems they face is to use modern technologies like Android phone. In today's world, people are self-serving, and thus we are trying to help them to use modern technologies such as Android phone on their own without the help of any other person. We also want that the blind people can get the essence of their environment by helping them to know what is in their surroundings.
Hey everyone, Pranjal Goel this side. As we all know that in 21st century, no one wants to depend on anyone. But the bitter reality is that people think that the person is having disability is burden on them. This will lower down their confidence and the self-esteem. To overcome this problem, me and my teammates have developed a project named V.A.V.I. V.A.V.I help blind person to detect objects lying in front of them, and it will also help them to detect the currency. We are not closing the boundary of our project till here only. We have, as we know that an untoward situation can happen at any time. For that, we have also included an emergency contact option. When the blind person feel bored, for that we have included Amazon Alexa. So he or she can listen the music at the free time. By using this project, blind person will become more confident and their self-esteem will also increase.
Hi guys, I'm Yash. So now I'm going to tell you about the components that we have used in making this project and then give you a quick demonstration of it. So for this demonstration, our setup looks like this. Now let me give you a quick demonstration of our app. So in the first screen, it displays the title of our project, that is V.A.V.I. Here we need to connect to the device that is actually transferring the data between Raspberry Pi and the Android, that is a HC05 Bluetooth module. So here is the HC05 module. Now in the next step, it actually looks like a menu where there are multiple buttons, but in actuality there is just an invisible button so that we can tap anywhere on the screen and tell it to do some work for us. For example, let me first give you a demonstration on how the object detection works. Now we just need to wait for a few seconds to get the output.
Laptop, mouse, and keyboard.
So as you can see, it tells me that I have laptop, mouse and keyboard in front of me. And now, similarly, we can use it to detect the currency that I am holding in my hands. Now we just need to wait for a few seconds for the data to be transferred from the Raspberry Pi to the Android.
You have 1500 rupees.
So as you can see, it tells me that I have 1500 rupees in my hands. So now for the rest of the features, firstly, it includes an entertainment option. By selecting it, we go to the Amazon Music app. Now there the blind person can use Alexa to play any song he likes. Now the rest of the features are, firstly, we have an emergency button option. It actually sends an alert to all those people that we have selected previously and stored in the emergency details option. So now it stores my number so that if the person says that emergency, so it sends an alert to the number stored in the emergency details button. Lastly, we have a gallery. The gallery contains all the images that we have done object detection on. So here you can see the object detection image that we have just used. And rest were just casual images we used to get a random output. Now let me show you what happens inside a Raspberry Pi when we use our app and say detect objects. Now it's waiting for the input. So as we have received the input, it starts processing the image.
Laptop, mouse, and keyboard.
So as you can see, we have received our output on the Android app. So guys, this was how our app worked and the system looked like. In the future, we have decided to create an AI and add it to the app. Next, we want to upgrade the emergency alert button so that it can swiftly send the alert to the registered contacts. We also want to create a login portal so that each user can get his or her personalized system so that it can be easier for everyone to work through.